choose Trustful FCA regulated broker and save all your money. My friends, my name is Yuri, top trading new offer. This lesson I will show you excellent company which you can use as a broker for your trading on a fixed market. Also, we will cover such topics like we will cover regulation, spread, commissions, withdrawal, deposit, feedbacks, and also my personal experience. I will show you why it's so important to work only with regulated companies and how it saves your money. A few words about me. You can read more on TradingView. Take a look here. This is my page. In trading since March 2013, you can take a look on 1017 my articles and take a look how accurately I publish an ideas. My dear, today we will speak about AxiTrader company, FCA regulated company. Once more, I will show you regulation, spreads, commissions, withdrawal deposit, feedbacks, and personal experience. After this, you will have full map in your mind why you should work with this company and why it is the best choice for you. Let's start from regulation. Why regulation it is important? Because if you will take a look on FCA, open FCA page, FCA.org UK. Here you can write about any company, AxiCorp, and you can find does they regulate or not. Because why it's so important? As you can see, FCA authorized firm details. Because when company regulate in UK by FCA, that means you are protected by UK government. If they will cheat you, if they will scam you, you will be able to go into a court and start investigation. If you work with companies which has some island like Vanuatu, like Britain Virgin Islands, in that case it is hard to take your money and save it. That's why at this moment I recommend you to work only with companies which has regulation, accurate regulation. It's like Great Britain, United Kingdom, Australia, United States, Germany, and also such big countries. The next point why you should choose this company, it is because of spreads. Open spreads and you will see it is a real terminal. As you can see, it is current spreads which we have on this company. USD Japanese yen 0.2. As you can see, it is 5 digit after 0. Take a look on this low spreads. Euro USD normally 0. British pound normally 3, 4, 5. It's excellent spreads, my friends. For you, believe me, it will be hard to find better. On gold, nearly 20, 2 pips. Also on cross currency pairs, as you can see, Canadian Japanese yen 5, Swiss Euro Australia less than 1 pips, Euro Swiss franc. As you can see on many currency pairs, their spread is really 1, 2 pips. When you will compare with different brokers, you can see that on some broker, I do not want to say name of these brokers, but on some brokers, as you can see, their spreads in many times bigger. If you would take a look on example on this broker, Euro USD spread 16 compared to 0. Whereas British Pound USD, British Pound 17. Here, as you can see, British Pound 5. That means why spreads is so important. Because spreads, it is your commission which you will pay on everyday basis when you will open every entry. And when you have lower spread, that money you keep in your pocket. You don't need to pay as a fee to another company. That's a reason number 2 after regulation. Why I chose regulation first? Because regulation, it is your security. Another point, it is a commission. When you will trade, when you will open position on your account, you will be able, you will pay spread plus fee. In most cases, most companies has different fees. In most cases, if you would take a look, in most cases, you would see free fee plus spread. That's the reason why you should choose this company. Spread fee per one lot is really 7 USD per one lot. It's really small. When you will open 001, you will pay only 0.7 cents per for opening your position. That's when you trade micro lots. That's why, my friends, it's awesome. It's unbelievable. The next point is deposit fee. My friends, if you would take a look on this fees, you would see that it's free. When you deposit, you pay nothing. You pay really nothing. Take a look what what currencies you can use: Canadian, Euro, British pound, Japanese yen, New Zealand, Polish, Singaporean, USD. My friends, so many currencies, as you can see. Also, you can see here so many currencies: Skrill, Neteller, bank transfers. That's the reason why you should use it, because no fee. All money which you will have will be your. About withdrawal, the beauty of regulated companies is when you want withdraw money, only you will be able to withdraw money. Another person never will be able to withdraw money to third party. As you can see, the correspondent account will make money to must be the same name as your AxiTrader account. That's a beauty of regulated company. No one will be able to steal your money. Your money will be only your, and you will be able to withdraw it at any time on your bank account. About withdraw, friends, currently you can use on bank transfer. You pay no fee. I remember a situation when I set withdraw 2 or 3K for just regular spendings, and they approved my request after a few hours, and maybe in 8 hours I got my money on my bank account. It was really fast. That's why about withdraw also good. The next point why you should take a look on this company is feedbacks, because when you will take a look on feedbacks, you can open here on the main page and you can read all these feedbacks. To be honest, I read all of this and I understand foundation of all of these feedbacks. Best broker in the world. Invest wisely to recover your stolen. Invest wisely to recover your stolen. Very reliable and trustworthy. Cannot withdraw my funds. Customer service won't help. I don't know about this one, because next one I will show you my account which I have of this company, and you will understand what I'm talking about. AxiTrader is supposed to take a look. Excellent. You have the greatest client service. As you can see, they does not hide any feedback. All feedbacks here are real. About sometimes you will see that some people will read, and when you will read all these feedbacks, you will understand that mostly those feedbacks from freshers who don't know how to set stop losses, who don't know how to really trade, and to be honest, in most cases, in 99% cases, that would be the reason why they blew out the account, because they have no knowledge. Yes, sometimes there could be a slippage, and if there is slippage like AxiTrader guilty, they will recover all your losses, and I had that situation. That's why it's okay. My friends, about my personal experience, currently I work with this company more than 1 year. Currently I have account size, as you can see, 200K on this account. I hope you see that my account is real, live account, AxiTrader. I hope you see it is MT4. It is MT4 platform. Also, as you can see it here. As you can see, Yuri. I hope you see it. Yuri live. and that's the account which I have at this moment. That's why about withdraw, about all the points, I withdraw really big amounts from this company, and there were no problems at any time which I had. That's why I totally recommend you. Also, I recommend you to pay attention when you will work with this company and take a look on specification, because when you will check swaps, when you will check commission, you will see that on AxiTrader you will pay less, far more less than on other brokers. Also, you should take a look on CFD on gold, silver, and other instruments, because here spreads the lowest which I saw in this market. Also, about indexes, here you can trade futures on indexes, and also you can trade CFD on indexes. As you can see, US 50, as you can see, you have only 50 pips spread. For such instruments, it's really rarely, you will find it rarely very low spread. The same here on US 2000. Also, the beauty of AxiTrader is that take a look on working hours. As you can see, you will pay, you can trade indexes nearly 24/7. You don't need to wait when it will open, when it will close, and in most cases, when it happens, it's really easy to get gap and lose a lot of money. As you can see, Australia 200 trades nearly 27 hours. There only a little break on trading days. The same, as you can see, oil, only 30 pips swap, 30 pips spread. It's really small, my friends, very small spread on such instrument. As you can see, open it and you will see everything here. My friends, that's the reason why I trade with this company, and also I'm a partner of AxiTrader, and why I recommend you to open account here, because I tested it. I saw so many people on TradingView and other places when they recommend some companies, but they do not trade it on those companies. They do not feel these companies. And I completely tested, and I completely with easy, so I can recommend you. Also, for those who will open account with below this video, you'll find my partner link. Use it, because those who will open account with my partner link, what you will get. First, I'll share with you for free my risk manager soft, which will protect you from losses. How it works: you will be able to set maximum risk per day, and it will keep you. If you will hit that risk, it will close all entries and you will not be able to trade. You will be able to set it if you will want, like you set 100 USD risk today, and if you achieve it, close everything and goodbye. And second one, it is half automatic robot for trading key levels. Those half automatic robot, what it will help you? First, it will help you set stop losses, close partial your trades. Also, when you will set key levels, if you will learn my trading strategy key levels, you will be able to just set key level and say, like for robot, robot here, after first breakout of this key level, I want to open sell. Robot automatically will calculate your stop loss, take profit. Also, when price move in your favor, robot automatically will close part of position, will move stop loss into break even, and will trigger your entry, and you will be able to see it everything. That's why, my friends, below this video you will find such link: Trustful FCA regulated broker. Open account by this, and also at this moment you can scan, you can take your phone and you can open, if you have Apple, if you have iPhone, you can just open your camera and you can open AxiTrader account and can trade it. My friends, and all your questions at this moment right now, right below this video, I will help you with all questions which you have. Also, if you open account using our partner link below this video, you will find contacts, my contacts and my team, and just write to us and write like, Yuri, hi, I open account with AxiTrader, please send me robots, send me soft, and share it. My friends, thank you for your time. Have a good day. Bye.